Okay, last but not least, we are on to dessert. We have got some tahini and chocolate tart, some tahini caramel, and some sort of sesame brittle cream. We're going to warm our tarts up in the oven that is already turned down to 150, and there'll be about 4 minutes in there. And then I think I'm going to warm up the. You can taste the caramel and see if you think it wants warming up, but I'm going to give it a little heat because I think it would be nice. Okay, so tart on first. And then with our sesame cream.